Yeah, no, that's actually pretty fire. Oh God, like he just got it. You know what I mean?
You really do. You really do.
You just got it. Before you do, baby, do you mind pulling down the window, please?
I just closed.
Hopefully, there's no flies that come in. Press relaxer can do.
That's great.
No, baby, they're not too hoochie. Yes, you're my hoochie anyway, so it's okay.
Ain't nobody there that's interested enough to give me free. So, unfortunately, you can't pimp me at the 7-Eleven/Speedway.
Dag nabbit. How do you want to say?
Keep that up.
Oh, I'm keeping the part about me calling you my hoochie in too.